God.
I got 42 grams. I feel like Jackie Rod. Old nigga tried to ask for money, told him get a job. And this bitch pretty on the internet, but she a real slob. I'm coming to the party real deep, this the real mob.
Call money!
Oh shoot. Excuse me, sir. You know where the bathroom's at? Huh? The bathroom.
Hey, go away. Go over there. Don't come to my face.
I almost threw up.
Why do you throw it on me?
Cause.
Hey. I'll call police.
No.
I'll call police.
No police.
Go away.
Why you scream?
Why you throwing on me?
Throw
you
what?
Throw up on me.
I almost did, but
I don't care.
I swallow.
Listen.
I swallow. I almost
say
throw up.
Go away.
What bathroom?
Go away. Call police.
Oh shoot.
Call police.
Police for what?
Why are you throwing on me?
I didn't throw anything on you. Throw what?
Listen, go away.
I go that way? You want me to go that way?
I don't care where you go. Go away.
I'll go that way. Excuse me, sir. You know the bathroom's at?
These are. Go to the food court. Go to the food court. If you have to, here. If you have to go. Okay, but I don't want you vomiting on me. Okay, I don't know what the problem is. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Excuse me, sir. You know the bathroom's at?
Oh my God. Stop. Come on. Get off me, dude.
I'm just joking, bro. It was just a prank, man.
It was pretty funny.
It was funny?
Well, not really. Come on.
I was just joking, man.
This is going on right here.
No, it's my cousin. He's kind of special. He likes, like, making me, like...
Did you see him do that? That was pretty good.
He likes when I do pranks.
Well, he's pretty knowledgeable for doing what he's doing, though, with his camera.
No, that's what he just points. He just points, like...
Okay, that's cool.
It's, like, entertaining for him, you know?
All right.
Yeah.
All right. All right, man.
Yeah.
Take care.
Yeah,
All
you
right.
too.
Good job.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Excuse me, bro. You know the bathroom's at?
Yo.
What the fuck?
It's just a prank, bro. It's just a prank, G. You know where the bathroom's at? That was funny? That was good, huh? I got him. You did? Should I get him again? You think I should get him again? I can't do it. Excuse me, bro. Excuse me. You know where the bathroom's at?
I don't.
Excuse me. You know where the bathroom's at? The
Te apoyo, mami, aquí cualquier cosa le das con tu esposa. No.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
I got COVID PX.
Yeah. No problem.
You don't want to get too close to me. I'm a little contagious.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't come too close to me. I'm contagious, bro.
Yeah.
You gotta back up. I'm just playing, bro. It's a prank. I'm just doing a prank, bro. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I got COVID PX, so it's a little contagious. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I feel embarrassed. I'm sorry, bro. I just got COVID. It's the new virus. PX9. Be careful, it's contagious, bro. I'm sorry, I just got COVID. It's like the new virus. It's called like PX. You ever heard about the new COVID virus?
And then why are you coming?
No, I just sneeze because it's contagious. So like, whenever I'm close to somebody, I start sneezing. So you gotta back up. I'm sorry.
Why you recording?
Who?
The guy over there.
Which guy? I don't see anybody recording.
I don't like that. What are you going to do? He came and sneezed on me, and then he said that he had COVID. Oh no.
Yeah, there's a new virus going around. It's called PX9. Yeah. So they told me it's contagious. I'm just joking. It's a prank. It's just a prank. It's just water.
Yeah.
All right, you have a good day, man.
You too.
Anything a problem?
Can't actually photograph in here.
He's not photographing. That's my cousin. He's kind of special.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's got video scoliosis.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. I may not be the only one who says something. So.
No, he's not the only one that has that disease, though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just heads up. I don't know. Yeah.
It's not a big problem, is it?
Well, I know it's against policy to have cameras in here. If a manager comes by, you might get like.
Just don't tell him to put the camera down. Otherwise, he's gonna like have a seizure. He's gonna like, yeah.
Okay.
So, thank you, man. Oh my God, this coronavirus, man. I got the new virus. It's the PX9. You might have to get away from me, bro. You ever heard about that new virus? It's the PX9. It's like super contagious.
I'm sick too.
You're sick too?
Yes.
But you don't got the Corona PX though.
Yeah, we can yes.
Oh, you got the PX?
Yes.
Oh shit. Oh, so I can sneeze on you again then, right? Cause like since you have the virus, it doesn't do anything. Can I just sneeze on you one more time?
No.
Can you sneeze on me? I like to be sneezed on. No?
Nobody.
Nobody?
No.
No? All
Goodbye.
right. You take care, brother.
Okay.
I hope you get better.
Okay.
He was cool. Oh my God.
Yeah, dude.
Did I sneeze on you?
No, you good.
You sure?
Yeah.
I didn't get no boogie on you. did I?
No, that just startled me. I was like, out of nowhere.
Oh, I think I did get some boogie on you, bro. Yeah, a little bit. I'm sorry, man. I got COVID, you know, the PX9. It's like a new virus that's coming out.
Do you actually?
You ain't hear about that?
No.
You gotta check yourself, bro.
Alright, bro.
I'm sorry. Like,
No, you good, dude.
like you're gonna get like bad symptoms though. Like you gotta be careful. Like coughing blood type of deal.
Dude, quit.
Gotta be careful.
Alright.
You hear my voice right now? That's because of the PX9 virus.
It's alright, man.
I'm just joking, bro. It's a prank.
Man, I need to control it.
That was water.
God.
Oh my God. My fault, bro. It's the new COVID that's going around, bro.
Oh, he on bullshit. He must be recording somewhere or something.
I'm just playing. It's a prank, bro.
This man.
Hey, he's special. He's special. He's kind of special. You can't talk to him like that, though. He's kind of special.
But then I need you to relay it to him and you can't record this talk.
He's got video scoliosis. He likes to point the camera, but if you tell him to put him down, he's gonna like have a seizure.
When he goes around the corner and records it, it makes people nervous.
He's nervous. That's why
Yeah.
he hides behind like.
I get it.
Are you
but it
good?
makes other people nervous, so it's
You good? Yeah? All right, just don't record. I don't want no problems. Sorry about that. Can't just be pointing the camera at everybody, bro. You think this shit funny? Oh, I'm sorry. I got the COVID PX. Is there a problem?
Yeah. What is your problem?
It's the COVID PX. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. What happened? I just sneezed. I have COVID PX.
Yeah, I just wanna be somebody. Really wanna be somebody. I don't wanna be just anybody.